welcome back to GT Retro World. Well, today we have something a little bit different and very retro indeed. Well, I've actually had this, I would say maybe a couple of decades, and it's come from a property to a property and it's always gone in the loft. So today I thought I'd bring it down, and I thought it was ideal for the channel as a little backdrop for bits and bobs I want to do in the future and whatnot. And like I say, I thought I'd see if it still powers up. It did power up all them years ago, but it's been up there a long time, like I say. Anyway, this is a Murphy model 2201 ST. It's encased in wood. Obviously it's a cathode tube, so plenty of glass in there and plenty of weight to go with it. Obviously it's got your 8 stations, fully adjustable in this panel here. There's your little adjustment tool for tuning and setting your presets on your channel. And open this little flap at the bottom there, guys. We have a TV and video switch, which is there, and also a headphone socket. On and off controls, volume, and various other bits anyway. We'll go through a few of them. That's if it fires up, of course, because I'm going to give that a go shortly. But yeah, that's the front of it. I'll tell you what, I'm just going to give you a little show on around the top of here. I'm having to use this on the move this on the tripod here, but there you get to see. I've not cleaned this. It's just, as it brought it down, I want to give it a good clean shortly, but I thought I'd show you as it comes. I'll give you a little show around here. Like I say, those are the presets. And AV's at the bottom, which is, as you can see there, is you can select it off this little rocker switch. So it's probably almost slightly modernish to have phono video in and audio in. It's also got an audio out, which is DIN, so maybe that went in the back of a hi-fi or whatever you wanted to do back in the day. Not many of us did, but having the phono video in and audio in was ideal for like consoles and computers, etc., that type of thing, you know. I just noticed the plug, looking at it, obviously that needs to be replaced, but what I'm going to do for now, I'm just going to clean them contacts, look at the state of them. So I'll clean those contacts for now, and we'll try it. We'll go from there. I want to use a breaker in line with this, just in case we have any problems, like, because there's some voltages in these damn things. Anyway, I think what we'll do, I'll show you on the rear of it. As you can see, there's the rear. As you can see, 210 to 250 volts, 50 hertz. We've got on the back of there, danger, do not remove back cover. Receiver must be at least 75mm or 3 inches from a wall or curtaining to provide adequate ventilation. Do not obstruct ventilation slots in the back cover, which is along here. Audio output, antenna in, video in, audio in. Those have gone a little bit corroded, to be honest, so I'm going to go give those a bit of a clean up. Got an interesting little sticker on the back of here. We've got TV and video engineer A.K. Richards. Colour black and white TVs and stereo repairs. And that's from Middlesbrough. And the contact number was 321311. So like I say, it's a local TV. It always has been. Like I say, I have never ever used this. When I first got it, I switched it on, seen it come to life, turned it off and moved it out the way, and that is where it ends with me. So obviously this is going to be a bit of a first for me within reason, especially after all them years anyway. So you've seen the back of it. We're going to turn it round and we'll see how it goes. Right, okay. Plug contacts have a bit of a clean up. Nothing spectacular, but I'll be replacing this plug anyway if it works, because it's definitely not safe anymore, that. Yeah, proper old school. So what we're going to do, we're going to power it up now. I'm just going to let this roll. So there's nothing connected to it. Obviously, it's an analog TV, so we're not going to get any digital signals on it. Right, she's plugged in. So that sounds alright so far, doesn't it? Right, here goes nothing, guys. Power button on the top. I'm expecting something to go banging. I don't know why, but anyway. Just make sure that's on. Yeah, on there. Right, let's have a look. Holy shit, right, hang on. We've got audio. And there we are. That took some time to fire up, didn't it there? Did I say that's working? So that's your AV, isn't it? Video. That must. Do you know? I think that works. I think that AV button works with any channel. By the looks of it. With it having an AV at the bottom there, V8, I thought that's how that's operated. But obviously not. So, say if you're on BBC One and you want to play a video game, you flick that down video and you'd be straight onto your video in, like. Wow. I'm gobsmacked. Holy shit, yeah, that's a bit of a surprise for me, like. That's got a beautiful tone. Just the noise, that is. Right, I'm going to try hooking up some video source. Okay guys, well I was just about to fire up the DVD recorder and use the AV in on the back. Anyway, I fired it back up again and we're starting to have a bit of a problem with this by the sounds of it. If you have a listen to this, it doesn't sound good at all, so I want to whip the back off and check. See, it doesn't sound good, there's something going on the back and it's a bit singy, that. So what I want to do, I want to whip the back off and have a little look around it. It sounds like it could be a cap, that, like, but yeah, I've got no vision now. It was working fine until I turned it back off and put it back on again, so it's probably a bit of a shock to the system. So yeah, we'll whip the back off and have a little look. Right guys, I've got the back off and it clearly smells of something being starting to burn. Right, I'll get this around there a little bit because I don't want to blow my brains out. Oh, hang on. Got you. There you are. Right, okay. Right, found the issue straight away. Right guys, before you start on touching anything like this, just remember there's some voltages and a half in these old CRT TVs. Just be very, very careful. Actually, the same applies with switch mode as well on your modern sets. But I found the issue. It's the flyback transformer that's leaking. Can you see here that we've got like a little leak? See there, look. Just there. And it's basically ground itself to this this screw, this Phillips screw here. As you can see clearly there guys, this is where it was sparking, from here to here. Yeah, I don't know what to suggest with this now. But anyway guys, that's about it really. I'll do a bit of digging around myself, but I don't know if it's really worth messing about with. It's a bit of a shame really, because like I said, it did sound okay, didn't it? But there you go, just one of them things I suppose. Hopefully it's been sort of educational. Well, you got a bit of spark anyway, that's for sure. So, on that note guys, we'll catch you on the next one.